Jal?
Do not do that. You understand me? I'll be doing her makeup. You can't be doing that right now.
Welcome to the vlog, you guys. So this is my auntie. She's no stranger to my channel. I've done her makeup on my channel so many times, so shout out to y'all. So this look is a very natural look. I just took out like bits and pieces, but it's very real time. I didn't want to rush it because I'm doing somebody else's makeup, and when I'm doing somebody else's makeup, you guys pay close attention to it. No, I really messed up in recording this in terms of the distance. Yo, when I was in Florida, excuse me, remember that tripod I had in Florida, the black one? Bro, when I was leaving, and Cameron's like, yo, you can keep the tripod. I was like, bet. Brother, I could not find the tripod for shit. Me and Karim look. Me can't find nowhere. Man, it would have been perfect for this shot. So I'm hella regretting it now, but if it works, it works. It's just that if I had that, it would have been so much better. Like the angles I'd be able to get, Jesus, like this would be so exciting for you guys in terms of angles and perspectives. Oh my God. Anyway, sorry. This is just a regular makeup look. I did it somewhat I did photography makeup. So I kind of omitted them out of the video, but there are certain techniques that I instilled, knowing that she's going to do photography makeup, and also knowing the time of day that she'll be doing the makeup as well. So that I took into consideration, and I executed how I should. Now this look, this, you see it look blurry? It's like a hella zoomed out scene, and I had to kind of zoom in so I can see like what I'm doing on the brow. So hopefully that doesn't bother you guys too much, and I zoom out just a little bit more. But this scene, it is broad, like it full up the entire room. I had to like crop, you see me? But yeah, so this is just basically how I do the makeup on my auntie. I also have other makeup tutorials for you guys for this month. What else do I have for you guys for this month? No, I'm not. No, on a seat. Thank you so much, you guys, for those of you who have subscribed. Like, what? Shout outs to you, boo boo. And also for those of you who have commented. Thank you so much for commenting. I really appreciate those who comment. To be honest, I appreciate those who take the time to comment. I ain't gonna hold you. I mean, you can watch the video and not say nothing. You can watch the video and not be subscribed. But if you're commenting, it means that you're engaging, even whether or not you're subscribed. So you're like, you know what? I don't want to subscribe yet, but I kind of like what she's doing. Let me just say something to her real quick. That I vibe with. I vibe if you're not sub, but you're like, we are interacting. I vibe with that, brother. Because, there's oneness. You know what I mean? So I vibe with that. So yeah, I'm going to be playing some music. I don't want to talk. You see, I don't want to talk because sometimes I talk foolish. I'm gonna tell you my plan, Zine, because the only time I was able to go live, I can remember, so on my Instagram. Oh, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. Thank you. My name is Rochester on Instagram and also on Snapchat. So when I hold on there. Oh yeah, so I went live on Instagram when I was in Florida, Zine. But when I'm out here, I can't go live. I haven't tried to go live out here, but when I was out here before I went to Florida, I couldn't go live. So I'm reaching out to them and say, I'm gonna try for safe and say, I can go live. Broops, baps, bang. I went to it live. Boom. So now, when I go live, I say, blouse and skirt, this can be do. This can more than be do. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram. But anyway, so I would go live. So I love going live on Instagram to kind of interact with you guys, but I can't. So now all my interactions take place in my stories. So if you're following me on Instagram and you watch my stories, shout outs to you. You are hella in the know. You're hella in the loop. And if you follow me on Snapchat, honey, you have the pulse on my life. Because and Snapchat is where I tend is where I share my personal stuff, like my day-to-day personal stuff, like a little diary, if you will, what I mean, like their Snapchat. So anyway, on my Instagram now, I'm gonna know say for the month here, baby, is a vlog every day. Oh, it go. Baby, it's a vlog every day you get. And because I say adapt me, I don't want the content to get all and still and vlog this, vlog that, vlog. What I'm going to be doing, brace yourself. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking you guys. I'll be coming to your home if you live in Portmore, and I'll be doing content with you. If you want to do workout content, just know it'll be on my channel here. So if you want to do a workout video, if you want to do a cooking with lyric video, because I don't do cooking on my channel, so that'd be really cool. So if you're like a cooking person, bro, having that on my channel, that's views, babe, because I don't do that on my channel, and I know you guys been wanting that. But me not have to cook with me kitchen. You see, some things I have, me don't have to cook with me kitchen. Me don't have the luxury of a bathroom routine. Stop ask me. Well, the truth is, nobody has asked, but I just feel really pressure. That's why I'm stop watching the video. So I'm gonna take off the pressurement off of myself. Anyway, so I'll be working with you guys. The first baby I'll be going with is Audrey. That's my brand ambassador for Pomi. So we'll be talking about the business, obviously. Well, not obviously, but I want to kind of go into that because no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make Anna know what I'm going. I don't need to know that because she's my ambassador, not you guys. So if you want info read that, you'll have to speak to Aura. You don't want to know me. I use Panara Face the blood cleanse. I've been using Sasha Cosmetics for the foundation and the powder. Yeah, foundation and powder, Sasha. So I'm putting on Sasha foundation on her now. Right, so I'll be coming to you guys' home if you live in Portmore. I'm gonna come at Kingston. You see me? And that's for this month, for the month of July. I don't know. I don't know what I have June, July. I don't know what I have planned for the month of July. What am I going to do for June? Anyway, I'm not going to talk about that now. But you see that for June. So June now, we'll be working together. We'll be doing fitness together if you do that. Cooking if you do that. Story times if that's what your thing is. I wouldn't want to do vlogs with you because that's a little bit more personal. I don't want to go around your day to day. I don't want to do that. I don't want to go there. You should never go there. Please tell me you know that meme. If you know that meme, I am following you here on YouTube and I'm following you on Instagram, baby, and Snapchat if you have it. If you have Twitch, I am downloading that shit and I'm following you because you don't want to go there. I know you should never go there. Can you know the meme? And baby, if you know the meme, if you know the meme, this, oh, honestly, that I'm using Fawn from LA Girl. I got this one as in Florida. Corona, give me this one as in Florida. And from when I say Fawn, you from when I do not see Fawn, me mumarati then no sir. Okay, I think I'll be adding music now. I'm all talked out. I'm tired. You know what time is it now, guys? It's 9:21. 9:20 into the night. The boys are sleeping. Tomorrow's Monday. I have to get them dressed and ready for school. I've got the juice and them buckle feed freeze in my freezer. Them snacks by and put on. Jesus whipped. My fire. I'm tired. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for your support.
Do not, baby. Don't come here, so please. Do not come here, so please. Wow,
Swipe up. Like and subscribe. But then below. When rival. Nobody knows. Alright, man, I'm gonna play the music. Well, I'm gonna eventually play music, but I feel like I stopped talking a while ago. Cause don't can just talk random. Look on Jonathan. I'm using powders now. I'm using powders all over her face. I don't like when I talk. I feel like when I stop talking, that do everything. I'm gonna love his mouth. Well, I'm gonna use my mouth. Okay, you don't use your mouth. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna play music. I don't want to annoy you. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and rise up. That's Jonathan's outro.
Destined for greatness. My name is written in stars. And I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made. There's ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down and I won't give up, and I will act now and I will stand up. They know that I'm here for it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. through the shadows. I see the hangman as he stands at the gallows. The breath of the beast, the gnashing of teeth. But I won't retreat, I won't deplete. I will succeed, I got all that I need. I am prepared for this moment. I see my future and my destiny is calling. The battle is on, I will rise like the sun. I'll get it done, one day I'll look back and see that we won. I hear victory song, this is my victory song. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting, I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting, I'll rise through it all. Rise up. Rise up.
Subscribe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my beats go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them terrifically, working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Then it's on site, then it's offline, reuniting my persons. Cryptocurrency learning, plus I've been working. Open the curtain, show goes on, even if we didn't rehearse it. We ain't reversing, this is a sermon, take them to Sunday service. With these chicken tenders, Dive, Josh and Rob, Flute, and the third, you heard? I saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more, show me something. Don't just talk about it. If you're scared of letting go, when you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Come on, dry. Scoot on over, let me 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 dry. Shake me awake. Bring me back to reality. Head on my pillow, but I'm not getting any slave. The world's been waiting, where were you? Everything you want, waiting for you. All that's left to do is left to you.
You want some pick up some? Like some pick up some? You want a brazier strap something? What? What? I'm gonna have things in my drawer. I used to have things, you know. That you would down by the yeah. Oh, yeah, you can use that. Oh, the color. On your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, the wrap. I don't know if I do it now. You know how to put it on?
I don't know if I want to put it on.
But it would have go with it, with everything. Yeah. But me wash my hand. Put it on. Put the good something, make it keep it back and then put on that. Yeah. Push up your ear. Yes. And then we do now. Oh, put this in it. Mm-hmm. It still feel tight on the front? Yeah, look now, your auntie look nice, man. Yes, and with the pearls, turn to the camera. Right.